Imaginat, a typewrite bite by A. Lefay. Images are what invite us into a work of literature and ask us to sit a spell. They bring us into the action and make us feel as if we're a part of it. Weave images that are unusual with a dash of the familiar. Be concrete, specific, partial, and surprising. You could have a toasted turkey tomato sandwich sitting on a white plate. Or it could be the toasted tomato turkey sandwich Pete left perched on the edge of the counter to sit and catch his breath. Here it waits. This is an example of a double-duty detail that not only gives us an image to bring us into the moment, but connects it to character and plot and propels our story forward. So, create images that are unique, familiar, concrete, specific, partial, and surprising, and your readers will return again and again.